This is episode 510 of the Liam Photography Podcast, and this is another video podcast now that I'm hosted on Spotify. And today is basically an extension of my recent YouTube video, 5 Tips to Get Started in Street Photography. Now, this is an event that we have here in Roxborough, especially during the warmer months. It's like the second Saturday of every month. It's called the Cars and Coffee Car Show. And I'm going to do street style photography here today. I like to walk around, look at all the cars, photograph them, and stuff like that. So that's what we'll be doing today in this video podcast.
All right, so here I am walking down the first row at the Cars and Coffee Car Show. There's some very beautiful vehicles that are here today. And cars, trucks, even a few motorcycles. I'm here today mostly for the vintage and classic stuff. The antique and classic vehicles are what I'm going to concentrate on today, and those are the ones that I'm going to shoot. I may shoot a couple of the newer vehicles, just depending on how things work out. But as a general rule, I'm going to be concentrating on the more vintage stuff, like that old sedan right there, the red one, and the Camaro sitting next to it, the gold Camaro. That's a really nice car. Now here in this segment, we have a couple of older Camaros, a Camaro and then a Pontiac and then a Chevelle SS. And here's another Chevelle SS sitting next to an old Ford Galaxie 500. Those are beautiful cars, the Galaxie 500. I'm not a huge fan of Fords, but I do like that particular car. One of my friends in high school had one, just about identical to that one. Now, this one here is a 1926 Buick. Absolutely gorgeous car. I really love this one here. Now, there's the close-up of the radiator cap on the decorative radiator cap on that 26 Buick. And there you can see the name of the owner of the car, and it's a Master 6. Now this one here is an old Imperial, really nice looking car. It's been nicely restored and redone. This one here is an older Camaro 400, which I haven't seen one of these in quite a long time. This is an absolutely beautiful Chevrolet. I just love this car. I mean, it's a gorgeous car. There's no two ways about it. I mean, look at how nice the engine area is, all the updates and everything that have been done to that vehicle. And this one here, I'm not sure. I think it's an MG. I know it's a British car. I've always been intrigued by them and the engine compartment on that right here. And then moving along, I'm just doing another general view shot of the car show. From the next row over, there's a couple of adventure bikes and, you know, a bunch of the people just milling around, checking out all of the vehicles and things like that. And I'm using the Insta360 Luna Ultra to film the video components for this episode. Is all shot on the Insta360 Luna Ultra. And it's a fantastic gimbal camera. There's no two ways about that. And here we even have a beautiful set of motorcycles, Adventure Series. We have a Tanner 700 and a Suzuki. Can't tell what model the Suzuki is. I got to get a little bit closer here. Oh, it's a V-Strom DE 800 cc's. The Tanner is a 700. Definitely a couple of cool adventure bikes. And over here next to my Corolla, we have an older Harley Davidson. I'm not sure of the exact year. I don't see the owner around anywhere, so I can't ask him, but it is a nice looking bike. Even though I'm not personally a big fan of Harleys, it is a gorgeous motorcycle.
Recommend you check out episode 510 of the Liam Photography Podcast. This one's a video podcast. It's kind of an add-on to my recent YouTube video, 5 tips on how to get into street photography. I came out here today to beautiful Palace Point in Roxborough, North Carolina for the July Cars and Coffee Car Show. And you can find the entire full-length video on my YouTube channel, which is Liam Photography.